Hello students, how are you? My name is Jagdish Prasad. I am a PGT Mathematics in St. Joseph English Medium School. Students, I am starting a educational channel and the name of my channel is JPS MATHMAGIX. In this channel, students, I will teach you full course of mathematics from class 8 to 12. So students, follow me and subscribe my channel. Hello students. Today I will start theorem 10.10. 10 point the statement of theorem 10.10 is if a line segment joining 2 points subtends equal angles at two other points lying on the same side of the line containing the line segment, the 4 points lie on a circle, that is they are concyclic. So the student's meaning of a concyclic is if the 4 points of any quadrilateral is on the circle, then this quadrilateral is called concyclic. So students, in this theorem, AB is a line segment in a circle, or we can say AB is a chord in the circle, and angle ACB equal to angle ADB, it is given to you, and we will find or to prove D lie on a circle. Now we will prove the theorem 10.10. So students, this theorem we can prove by the contradiction. Contradiction means we are seeing in the figure D is on the circle, but we let D is not on the circle. Suppose we assume D is not lie on a circle. So its point may be inside the circle or outside the circle. But in this figure, I am assuming that E is outside the circle. So let E is outside the circle. So students, we know that the angles in the same segments are equal. So angle ACB equal to angle AEB. Angles in the same segments are equal, and students, angle ACB is equal to angle ADB, it is given. Okay, so from both the equations we will find angle AEB equal to angle ADB. But students, it is possible only when E and D are the same points. But it is not possible only when E and D are the same points. So our supposing is wrong. Our supposing is wrong. So D is on the circle. So we can say D is on the circle. Possible. It is possible only when E and D are the same points. So our supposing is wrong. Hence we can say D is lie on a circle. So all the 4 points A, B, C and D are on the circle. So A, B, C, D is concyclic. Thank you, student.